Hello and good evening everyone, and I would like to remind to tell all the artists not here in the even not here in even here in the Philippines and other countries, but I see it why some artists are display or art exhibit in art gallery are few. I see it only 15, 12 or 16, and as for me, in my opinion, it was not enough. But 12 and 15 it was not enough, or 5 or 3 was not enough. But how can you market your artworks if you put a display in your art gallery in the art gallery just only few? If you want to have a solo art exhibit, just make sure you have many paintings to display, either 25 or 30. It was just enough. But make it sure your paintings is catchable and market of the people. Just make a painting. Do not display your solo exhibit if you are painting is only 5 or 3 or 8 or 10 or 15. It was not enough, in my opinion only. But it's only thing I say, much better you, if you have a plan to have a solo exhibit, just make it 25 or either 30, your display of your painting in art gallery. Do not display your paintings just only 12 or lesser than that, or 15. It was not marketable of sales of the people. And just think about it, if you want to be successful artist, just make it sure you are a businessman. Just not only a artist only, but make it sure if you are really artist, just make many paintings and put many paintings in art gallery, at least 25 or 30, not lesser than 20 or 15, or lesser than 10 or lesser than 8. But just as I see in many artists here in the Philippines, but only one, I'm reminding you, you will be success if you put a display on your paintings, a many, not 3, 5, 12 or 15 or 20. And that's it, and that is my opinion. I hope you have to think about that, what I'm telling to you. And thank you and goodbye, and see you on my next vlog at this my plein air painting on the spot. That is my opinion only. And if those people are offended on me in my or in artist, that's okay, you're offended. But it's only I say, that's why I am telling you very frankly. And thank you, and see you for the next video.